I'm going to show you a simple relaxation exercise. Find somewhere comfortable to sit, perhaps on the sofa or in your favorite armchair. Stretch your legs out in front of you and cross the one ankle over the other. I've crossed my left ankle over my right. And now hold your arms out in front of you, and because my left ankle is over my right, I'm crossing my right wrist over my left with my palms facing each other, and then interlace your fingers, then rotate your joined hands downwards in towards you and up until they rest comfortably against your chest. Let your shoulders soften and drop. Then take a few slow, steady breaths, breathing in and out with awareness. You can close your eyes if that feels comfortable. And as you breathe, you might quietly say your name to yourself. I'm Simona, I am here. Or repeat a single word such as balance, or a phrase such as I feel centered or I'm okay. Choose whatever words feel right and calming to you, and then stay in this position for as long as it feels comfortable. And that's it. Enjoy.